हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे टॉप 80 प्लस ज्योग्राफी वन लाइनर क्वेश्चंस जो आने वाले सभी एग्जाम्स के लिए मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो वीडियो आपको एंड तक देखनी है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द टोटल एरिया ऑफ ओडिशा इन स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। आंसर इज 1,55,707 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। What is the rank of Odisha in terms of population? Correct answer is 11th. What is the length of the Brahmani river? Answer 799 kilometer. The length of the Brahmani covers in Odisha is 541 kilometer. Which is the highest peak in Odisha? Devmali. The rice bowl of Odisha is Bargarh district. The Mandira dam is situated on the answer is Sank river. Which is the largest river in Odisha? Answer Mahanadi river. The coastal plain of Odisha is known as the gift of answer 6 rivers. The second largest river in Odisha is the Brahmani river. The Mahanadi enters the plain in Odisha at answer Naraz. Hokitola Falls is located on the which river? Answer Mahanadi river. The famous Hirakund Dam, longest in Asia, is situated. Correct answer is Mahanadi. The Dhoro, Dhanai and Baghua rivers are tributaries of the answer Rusikulya. The Nagvali river is otherwise known as answer Langulia river. The river Ivy passes through district of answer Jharsuguda and Sundargarh. Chilka Lake is located in the state of answer is Odisha. Raigada is situated on the bank of Nagvali river. The Sank and South Koel rivers are the tributaries of answer Brahmani. The shape of the Chilka Lake is vague pear. Chilka Lake spread over how many districts? Answer is 3 districts. Puri, Khurda, Ganjam. The approximate area of Ansupa Lake is 231 hectares. Ansupa is a major freshwater lake. Is situated in the district of Cuttack. Duduma waterfall is located on the which river? Answer Machkund. Nalabana Bird Sanctuary was officially declared in 1987. In which year Chilka Development Authority was found? Answer 1992. Khandula waterfall is located on the district of answer Kalahandi district. Tapta Pani host spring is situated on answer is Ganjam district. Sara Lake is situated in district of Puri. Kanche Lake is situated beside the Nandkandan Zoological Park. Odisha has a coastline of approximately answer 480 km. Rengali Dam is situated over which river? Answer Brahmani river. Which type of climate prevails in Odisha? Tropical monsoon. Which soil covers largest area in the state? Red soil. Chilka Lake was declared Ramsar site in the year 1981. The Nandkandan Zoological Park was established in 1960. Odisha share its boundary with how many states? Answer 4. Bhitarkanika was declared wildlife sanctuary in 1975. Angul, Jharsuguda and Sundargarh are rich in coal, iron ore. Odisha Mining Corporation or OMC was established in 1956. Which place is known as Kashmir of Odisha? Daringbadi. How many tiger reserves are there in Odisha at present? 2. Daitari Tomka mines in Jajpur district are known for iron ore. Area-wise, largest district in Odisha, Mayurbhanj. Which city is situated on the bank of Daya river? Bhubaneswar. Which river is known as Sorrow of Odisha? The Mahanadi river. Which river is known as Gupt Ganga of Odisha? Baitarani river. Which lake is the largest brackish water lagoon in Asia? Chilka Lake. Area-wise, smallest district in Odisha is Jagatsinghpur. Population-wise, largest district in Odisha, Ganjam. Population-wise, smallest district in Odisha, Devgarh. Satpada is famous for dolphin. Which river is known as lifeline of the Ganjam district? Rushikulya river. Which wildlife sanctuary is also known as Usakoti sanctuary? Bhadrama wildlife sanctuary. The Magji Laddu goat GI tag belongs to which district? Dhenkanal district. Odisha is located in the part of India, eastern part of India. The world famous Nandkandan Zoological Park is set up on the bank of the lake of Kanjia Lake. The Nandkandan Zoological Park was declared wildlife sanctuary in the year 3rd August 1979. Badarma or Usakoti Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the district of Sambalpur district. Similipala National Park was declared a Biosphere Reserve of India in the year 1994. Next is black bucks, a type of wildlife species, are seen mostly in the district of Ganjam district. The Gahirmatha Marine Sanctuary was officially declared in the year 1997. Which sanctuaries in Odisha is known as Turtles Paradise? Answer is Gahirmatha Marine Sanctuary. Which is 100% solar powered village in Odisha? Barapita. Which district in Odisha has the least area under forest cover? Bhadrak. Which district in Odisha has the highest area under forest cover? Answer is Kandhamal district. Odisha Forest Development Corporation Limited or OSFDC came into being in 14th November 1990. The official number of wildlife sanctuaries and the national parks in Odisha is 2 national parks and 21 wildlife sanctuaries are there. The origin of which river act as a boundary between the state of Odisha and Jharkhand? Answer Baitarani river. The Barehi Pani waterfalls is situated on the bed of river Budhbalanga river. Atri, the popular hot spring in Odisha, is situated in the district of Khordha. Last is the horseshoe shaped freshwater lake in Odisha is called Ansupa Lake. Next is, what is the rank of Odisha in terms of area among the state of India? Answer is 8th largest. The Brahmani rivers originates from Chota Nagpur plateau and enter Odisha in district of Sundargarh district. The Swarnarekha river originates in the Chota Nagpur plateau, which is located in the state of Jharkhand. The rivers Dev and Indrani are principal tributaries of the Baitarani river. In which year Chilka Lake was designated the first Indian wetland of international importance under the Ramsar Convention? In 1981. The Gobri or Govardhan river mostly flows through which district? Kendrapara district of Odisha. Harishankar waterfall originates in which hills of Odisha? Gandhamardhan hills. And last question is, which of the following is known as Matsya Tirth in Odisha? दुधुमा वाटरफॉल्स. दो क्वेश्चन के आंसर आपको देने हैं. फर्स्ट इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रिवर्स इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द कन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द संक एंड साउथ कोयल रिवर्स. एंड सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज, according to the geological area, Odisha ranked in India.